Okay, hey guys, so I'm sorry the video just stopped. She is a little high heel. I already have her Beverly Heels. She is adorable and so cute. And I already have her, but it's not mine. The other one's my sister's. So now we have my own. Wow! Okay, let's open up this one. It feels like a Christmas tree. I wonder if it is. What are you? I think you might be a hat. Let's look in the hat department. Yeah, you're a hat. See her right there. And they also got her. And I got her. And I think that's it from the hat department. Okay, well, she's a hat. I was hoping she was a Christmas tree, but it's okay. She's still not on down. Last one. Please don't be something I have already. I mean, they're fun to get doubles of. Oh yeah, and if you ever have doubles, make sure you look closely at them. There is something different. Oh my god, she's sushi. Sushi's so cute. I actually just got a new Shopkins Shoppies doll, and she's a sushi doll. Like, she makes sushi, and she came with 2 little sushis. Now she has another friend. Let's find her. Oh my god, this is so exciting. I'm looking and I'm looking. I found one of them. Oh, here she is. Susie Sushi. Susie Sushi. You are adorable. And look at her little face, and she's holding chopsticks, and look at the little fish up here. It's super cute. Oh my god. So, that was all 10 of them, and they are adorable. They don't actually look like I got that many. So we got our hat, and we got another hat. Oh, you want to see her face? And we have another hat. Okay. Just got a little bow. On to the shoes. We got an Ugg boot. Ugg. I might do that in one of my videos. We have our rain boot. Ronnie Rain. I'm calling her that. She looks like that. It's got a little umbrella and bow, and then there's a bow on the other side. It's super cute. And our real named Beverly Heels. I always used to call her Beverly Hills, but I finally got it, and her name is Beverly Heels, not Hills. Okay, on to the refrigerator, because we only have one of her, and what's inside of her? Food. Most of my, like 80% of my Shopkins are food Shopkins. It's kind of weird. So we go in the fridge, and she is actually not an Oreo. She is a cake. She is adorable. Soup's cute. And our really shiny little kiwi. And we got our sushi. And I hope you guys liked this video. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up or like. They're the same thing, but I do not care. And please subscribe to my channel. Bye!